So I got some explaining to do, right? There's an achievement I need to unlock. Get 1 B rank. So I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I think the best course of action is to just play normally, and then, like, whenever I miss, I'm going to play on my hardest, okay? Whenever I miss, I'm just going to, like, stop caring, right? I'm just going to, like, start button mashing or something and just see if I can get a B. Let's do this, guys. Oh my god. Excuse me. So a little better than that. Stop carrying. Wait, S&D aren't even doing anything anymore. What did I do? The keyboard sliding was too intense for this game to handle. Oh, this is gonna be worse than a B rank, though. Did I get it? Did I dude, I literally broke the game. S&D aren't doing anything, only KNO. Oh, okay. Alright. Alright. Please. Give me my achievement, please. Unless that was worse than B. Yes! I got a B rank! Did I not get the... There it is! Yeah! Let's go! Even better than my last score, guys. No, I'm in top 15 now! I fell out. I fell off, bruh. Where? I fell off.